Today, we'll be designing a chibi dragon boy. Choose a light color for this in this video. We've chosen orange. This habit enables the artist to explore the possibilities of the design outcomes. Mark out all the body joints. Essential to place where all the articulated of the limbs are. Plot the overview of the build for the characters. Plan and craft several distinctive features on your character. Common elements such as hairstyles, attire, eyes, and body shape. Switching into blue color pencil for refining your artwork. Bear in mind, reduce the use of eraser and thus the orange guideline, allowing the sketcher to decide whether to retain the existing lines or redirect it. The process seems redundant and, however, it builds good visual muscle memory. The second attempt to improvise and design the character is almost complete. Use the red pencil to finalize the sketch and minor touch-ups. Add in all the fine details for this process. Final consideration of only retaining the lines required with the red pencil. Start inking on the tracks of the red guideline with the liner pen. Make sure to test out the skin tone. Before applying onto the actual artwork, apply the color neatly with uniform directional strokes technique. Observe the markers being applied single direction and avoid overlapping in this process. Mark up all the highlights to avoid accidental coloring onto the area.